How to make Instagram January dump story. First, open up the Instagram. Here you can simply tap on your Instagram profile. Now tap on the plus. Here you can simply tap on story. Now here at the top you will find the template option. You need to simply tap on this one. Now here you will find all the trending templates and prompts. So on a trending prompt section you need to simply find the dump. So here I just want to find January dump. So as you notice that I have successfully accessed the January dump. So you notice that 44.8k people using this trend. You have to simply tap on this one. So now I can easily create Instagram story with the help of January dump. So first I want to select the layout because I want to upload 6 different pictures. Here as you notice that I have selected the layout. Now I want to randomly upload photos from my gallery. So as you notice that I have successfully uploaded 6 different pictures from my gallery. So as noticed that I have successfully created Instagram story with the help of January dump. After that you need to simply tap on check mark. You can also add some musics and sticker, but I want to just simply create Instagram story with the help of January dump. Now I want to go back and here I want to show you my recent story that I have created with the help of Instagram January dump. So as you notice that I have successfully created Instagram January dump, and now you notice that 44.9k people using this because this is the latest trend which a lot of people try to create the Instagram story with the help of January dump. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.